Hello everyone, welcome back to Goody Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix one of the most common and annoying problems Android users face: battery draining too fast. Have you ever charged your phone to 100% in the morning, but by afternoon, you're already down to 20%? It's frustrating, right? Don't worry, in this video I'll explain why your phone battery drains quickly and show you step-by-step solutions that actually work. By the end, your battery life will definitely improve. Explain common causes with real-life examples. 1. Screen brightness too high. Your screen uses the most power. 2. Too many apps running in the background, especially social media, games, or video apps. 3. Location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi always on. They silently drain your battery. 4. Old or weak battery health. Batteries wear out with time. 5. Heavy apps or hidden malware, consuming power without you noticing. 6. Poor charging habits, like overcharging or using fake chargers. Imagine waking up at 7 a.m. fully charged, but by 11 a.m. you're already searching for a charger. That's usually because background apps and high brightness are draining your power without you realizing. Here's how to solve it step by step. 1. Reduce screen brightness and timeout. Go to Settings, Display, Lower Brightness, or use Adaptive Brightness. Reduce screen timeout to 30 seconds or 1 minute. 2. Close background apps. Open Settings, Battery or Apps, check battery usage. Force stop apps that consume too much power. 3. Turn off connectivity when not needed. Switch off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location when you're not using them. Use airplane mode at night or when you don't need the network. 4. Use battery saver mode. Go to Settings, Battery, enable battery saver power saving mode. 5. Update or uninstall power-hungry apps. Update apps via Play Store. Replace heavy apps with light versions, e.g. Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite. 6. Check for software update. Go to Settings, System, Software Update. Updates often improve power optimization. 7. Avoid overcharging and use original chargers. Don't charge all the way to 100% or let it drop to 0% often. Keep between 20 and 80% for battery health. Use the charger that came with your phone or a certified one. 8. Check battery health if available. Some phones show battery health in Settings. If below 80%, consider replacing the battery. Close apps after use. Restart your phone once a week. Use dark mode. It saves a lot of power, especially on AMOLED screens. Don't leave your phone under the sun or in hot places. Install only the apps you really need. So that's it, guys. That's how to fix Android battery draining too fast. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll notice a big improvement in your phone's battery life. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if it worked on your phone, and don't forget to subscribe to Goody Tech Solutions for more Android fixes, tricks, and tutorials. In our next video, we'll talk about another big issue: phone not charging problems. That's one video you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.